everybody, it is the crack of dawn. It is literally super early because I am at Walmart before everybody wakes up in my house so I can get back for my husband to go to work. It works out better that way, but it is now summer vacation. Super excited about that. Anyways, yesterday I posted a video about some Ibotta changes. Some of you guys had it, some of you guys didn't. Now, I'm hoping it was a glitch. It could have been something that they may have just did. And I bet you they got so much backlash. People sending them messages and all that stuff that I think they might have changed it right away. I don't know, but some of you guys did it, some of you don't. I don't know, but I mean, seriously, if Ibotta's thinking of limiting us rebates, then what's the point of using the app? But hopefully they got over their sickness and that was just a glitch and they're not even considering it. But they did consider it because it ended up in the system, so it was kind of weird. But I am currently at Walmart. I'm here before my time shows up with what I have for a weekend warrior. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll find out what happens. I just know I have my weekend warrior, or all my rebate bonuses always pop up at 8 o'clock in the morning Central Standard Time. So I live in Wisconsin, it's Central Standard Time. So that's what it finds out. But since I'm shopping so early, I also cannot purchase my items until after 8 o'clock in the morning, because then it won't count towards those bonuses. So just giving you guys a heads up if you guys ever wonder like how that goes. But we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna share with you guys some deals. It's not a hot week for couponing, which is okay because it's nice to take a break. I will be going to Walmart next week, but the following week I will be gone. We're going on a family vacation, so I am doing no Walmart haul. And then I don't know if I'll be doing another Walmart haul the following week. I might be going to my mom's house for a couple of days just because I want to get out of my area and kind of go back home because I haven't been home since Christmas. So I'll keep you guys updated on that when I figure that out. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Poise. This one is $5.97. Now we currently have a $3 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1. So you get that for $3 back. This ends up becoming $2.97. But there is a, I don't know if there's a coupons.com, but there is a Shopkick deal, but I'm scanning the product and it says that it doesn't work, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but you could get this for $2.97. We also have a, I'm not doing this deal, but we also have the spend 15, you get $5 back. So you could buy one of these, you could buy one of these, and you could buy one of these. You pay $17.97, I think, something like that. But then you get $3 back, $2 back, and $1 back with Ibotta. And then you would get that $5 back rebate off from spending 15. It would end up becoming just $7.91 or $2.63 if you guys are interested in that deal. So here's a deal with Olay body wash. So see, these are $6.97. You're gonna buy 3 of them and you will pay $20.91 for all 3 of them. But I actually have a 5 off of 3 Ibotta rebate, a 3 off of 2, and then I have a $5 Ibotta rebate. So you'll end up getting just $13 back with Ibotta, making them just $7.91 or $2.63 each, which is an okay deal, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. So here we have the soft soap body wash for $4.47. You will have to get specific cents for the Shopkick deal, but we currently have we get 375 kicks for purchasing and scanning the products. So you end up getting these to be with Shopkicks for $1.50. So I'm getting the Tahitian, and then I'm also getting the Maui. And then you can also get 200 Swagbucks when you submit your receipt to Swagbucks. That's $2 back. And then you also get $1.50 with a limit of 5 back with Ibotta. So that's $3 back, making 2 of these just 94 cents or 47 cents each. So here we have the Dove deodorant for $5.97. We currently have a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and then we also have a Shopkick deal where you get 470 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.88, making these just $2.09. Not the greatest deal, but still a good deal. I just want to give you a heads up for this Dove deodorant. I actually found a digital coupon for $2.50 back, so this ends up becoming a 41-cent moneymaker. 41-cent moneymaker. So my store finally has these ones of the rebates. I did it last week. I did the rebates of the Dreft and the Febreze, so you definitely want to check that out. But we are getting the Tide for $4.97. You'd pay $4.97. I'm going to do this in a separate transaction because it requires, like, you have to send the receipt in. So you get $3 back by a rebate, and then you also can submit your receipt for $1 back with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. 97 cents, which is an awesome deal. So I'm doing the all deal for $4.97. I don't have any digital coupons, but I do have a printable coupon for $1.50. So if you guys use that coupon, you will end up just paying, sorry, I'm doing my math right now. You'll end up paying just $3.47. But then we have a Swagbucks deal where you get 200 points if you buy 2 of them. I'm only gonna buy 1 of them, so I get 50 points with that. And then I also will get $1 back with Ibotta. It's $1.97. Here we have the Glade deal. Again, the watermelon, it seems to be the only one that is $3.48. You'd pay $3.48, but then you can submit your receipt with a limit of 3 to Ibotta for $2.58, making this just 98 cents. We have just the Febreze, a plug-in for $3.24. You'd pay $3.24, but here you get $2.30 back with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents for just the plug-in, which is an okay deal. So here we have the Capri Sun for $2.98. We currently have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $2.48. I can't believe how much Capri Suns have gone up in price over the last couple years. They used to be like the cheapest drink, and now they're even with everybody else, but $2.48, an okay deal. Hello everybody. Yes, I am back from Walmart. It is such a huge difference, like shopping 2 hours earlier than what I usually do. I mean, there is more employees in that store than there is customers, and every single aisle, I swear there's like an employee down there. It doesn't bother me, but I'm like, I know they're pulling all the orders from like online shopping, but it's just like crazy. So I ended up getting a Weekend Warrior. I needed 18 rebates for $5, but I only got 11. I think I got 11 rebates. So that's okay. That's okay. No, I didn't get 11 rebates. Yeah, I maybe got 11 rebates. I don't remember. I got a campfire bonus, which, yeah, I got 11 rebates. So I got a campfire bonus where I need 48 rebates for $10. And then I needed 18 rebates for the Weekend Warrior, which I did not hit, but that is okay. One thing I do want to mention is the Olay deal. So the Olay, there was the body washes for $6.97. There was a 5 off of 3, a 5 off of 2. There was a $5 one, a 3 off of 2, and a 5 off of 3. Then when I submitted my receipt, I actually got a $5 bonus, you guys. I got a $5 bonus. I think I screenshotted it. But I ended up getting a $5 bonus, so yes. So everything ended up becoming $2.91 or just 97 cents each, which is an even better deal. So yes, I can't believe like how small my haul was. And then with that Dove deodorant, I forgot to check the thing because I was so used to like coupons.com. I forgot to scan with Shopium. So they were $5.97. You use that $2.50 coupon from Shopium. You use the $2 Ibotta rebate. You got 470 points with Shopkicks, which is $1.88, ended up becoming like a 41-cent moneymaker. So that was a great deal right there. So my grand total came to $53.96. Speaking of coupons.com, if you guys did not watch my little video, they are getting rid of the app. The app is going away in about a month. They did reach out to me and said I was banned due to something, and I'm fighting it. Like, they keep sending me a link to read, and I'm like, no, I want to know exactly the reason why. And then they're asking me to, like, you know, rate the person, and I'm like, you're not helping me. All you're doing is just sending me links to read. You're not explaining to me what is going on. So I'm just gonna play this game. Like, I got nothing else to lose, and I'm not trying to be mean about it, but it's just like, you're telling me that I didn't do something right. Well, I want to know what I didn't do right, because sending links doesn't do anything. It's telling me what I did wrong, because they said they had to review my account twice, and I'm still banned from the app. So I'm just like, okay, but explain to me how I got banned. Like, I'm not reading a link. I want somebody to explain to me. So I'm going to continue fighting it until I get an answer. Because it's a fun game, and it's just nice to know that, you know, you guys are in the same situation as I am in. But they're getting rid of the app in a month, so who cares anyway? So that's why it's a fun game to play. But again, my total was $53.96. With Ibotta, I received $25.30. Fetch rewards, I just received 85 points, which is 8 cents. Yes. Swagbucks, I received 257 points, which is $2.57. Shopkicks, I received 1,230 points, which is $4.96. I submitted my receipt for the Shoppium app, which it was just for the Dove, for $2.50. I will mail in that $3 rebate for the Tide spray. And then I also received the $5 Olay Ibotta bonus, which was great. So my grand total came to $10.59. At just 96 items at 96 cents each with 11 items. So not a great haul this week, but that is okay because it is the summertime. Usually at the beginning of the summer it kind of dwindles down because not a lot of people are using the app because summer vacation, kids are, you know, with their parents. So you will see a little bit of a slower deals. You will see a lot of people not going couponing as much because of it. Like, we're going on vacation multiple times this summer. We're going on 2 big trips, but we're also going on little trips. I'm going to go visit my parents. So you guys will see me do not as much hauls with Walmart this summer. Number one, I have my kids. I don't like shopping with my kids because I end up spending more time in there and buying more stuff that I did not come in there for. I'm usually a person where if I have a list, I work on that list and I get everything on that list. But everybody's in a different situation, and I'm here to help you guys, but I really want to share with more deals, but right now they're just kind of slow, and it might be slow at least for the next couple weeks, but we will see. I will try to share with you guys any deals or anything else that I can pop up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.